Welcome guys into the fourth lecture in this series of logic design. Here I want to speak about computer software. So computer software is a genetic term for organized collection of computer data and instructions, often broken into two major categories: system software that provides the basic non-task specific functions of the computer, and application software which is used by users to accomplish a specific tasks. System software is responsible for controlling, integrating, and managing the individual hardware components of computer system, so that other softwares and the users of the system see it as a functional unit. Generally, system software consists of operating system (OS) and some fundamental utilities such as disk formatting, file manager, display manager, text editor, user authentication, login and management tools, and networking and device control software. There are many types of OS, such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, BlackBerry, and more. Application softwares consist of a single program that has a specific task. There are many examples of application software such as antivirus, browser, social media and multimedia applications, antivirus, drivers, and more. This is the end of the video. I hope that you get benefits from it. So guys, be excited, subscribe my channel and like the video. Also share it with your friends.